Ever wondered what a blue team in cybersecurity is? Well, let's dive in. Cybersecurity, in its essence, is the safeguarding of digital systems and data. In this age of rampant digitalization, cybersecurity has become a cornerstone of our daily lives. Think about it. There are dedicated professionals working round the clock, their eyes fixed on screens, fingers dancing on keyboards, all to ensure your digital world stays safe and sound. In the vast universe of cybersecurity, the blue team plays a vital role. So, who are these members of the blue team we're talking about? Let's dive right in. The blue team is an integral part of cybersecurity. Their primary responsibility? Defense. They're like the digital equivalent of a football team's defense line, always alert and ready to protect. Their role doesn't stop at mere protection. The blue team members are the watchful eyes detecting potential threats. They're the analytical minds, dissecting these threats to understand them better. And they're the swift responders acting quickly to neutralize any danger. But what sets the blue team apart is their proactive nature. They don't just sit back and wait for attacks to happen. Instead, they're continually improving security measures, anticipating potential attacks, and developing strategies to prevent them. They're always a step ahead, making sure the digital environment is as safe as it can be. In essence, the blue team is the digital world's defense squad. So, what are the key points to remember about the blue team? Well, first and foremost, the blue team are the guardians of cyberspace. They are the digital knights in shining armor, tirelessly working round the clock to detect and respond to threats. They are not just reactive but proactive, always on their toes, anticipating potential risks and taking steps to prevent them before they even manifest. Their role is akin to the immune system of an organization's digital landscape. Just as our body's defenses work to recognize and neutralize harmful pathogens, the blue team identifies and mitigates cyber threats, ensuring the health and safety of our digital assets. But that's not all. The blue team doesn't work in isolation. They often join forces with the red team, the offensive security experts. This dynamic duo brings together defense and offense for a comprehensive security approach. The red team simulates attacks to expose vulnerabilities, and the blue team uses this information to strengthen defenses. It's a constant cycle of testing, learning, and improving. The blue team's work is paramount in today's digital age. As we continue to rely heavily on technology, the risks increase and the importance of their work becomes even more significant. They are the unsung heroes, constantly protecting us from unseen threats and ensuring the digital world remains a safe space for us all. Remember, the blue team is your digital guardian, always on the lookout to protect and defend. And that concludes our deep dive into the world of the blue team in cybersecurity. We hope you've gained some valuable insights into the tireless work these digital guardians do to keep our online spaces secure. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more about such intriguing topics, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our latest content. Stay safe, stay informed. Until next time.